Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will tell you how to factory reset Android phone using a laptop. In this era, mobile phones have become an indispensable part of our daily lives. Many important data are stored in our mobile phones, such as documents, videos, photos, files, and important contacts. As time goes by, more and more data will be stored in the mobile phone, and each mobile phone has a maximum storage space. If you are about to reach or have reached the maximum storage space, your Android phone may run slowly, freeze, etc. At this time, you may be thinking about what to do if the Android device runs slowly or freezes due to storage space. The most convenient solution is to hard reset the phone to restore it to the original system and settings. Your old Android phone will start like a brand new phone again. In today's video, we will tell you how to reset Android phone with laptop. Please watch patiently and try the methods in the video. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Why factory reset Android phone using a laptop? The settings app that comes with your phone cannot factory reset your phone. If your phone freezes, crashes, or won't turn on properly, resetting your Android phone using a laptop can solve these problems. Or if you need to resell or give your Android phone to someone else, you can factory reset your Android phone using a personal computer to delete all its data. Now, follow this video to learn how to factory reset a phone using a laptop. Before we get started, we need to remind you that formatting an Android device by using a laptop running Windows or macOS will delete all the data on your Android device. If you need data, back it up in advance. Let's get started now. Method 1 is to reset Android using recovery mode. If you need to factory resetting an Android phone using a laptop, you can also try to enter recovery mode, where there is a factory reset option. You can reset an Android device using a laptop by turning off your phone and then connecting it to a computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. Next, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. In the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once it is finished, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen, and it will show the interface when you first turned on the phone when you bought it. You will need to set it up again like a new phone. Method 2 is to use Google Find My Device. If your Android device is frozen or does not turn on normally, you can use a laptop to factory reset your Android phone through the Google Find My Device service. But the premise is that you have a Google account. To use Google Find My Device and use a laptop to factory reset Android phone, first, you need to visit google.com/android/device manager using a computer. Then in the Google Find My settings you need to log into your Google account. In addition, you also need to turn on the Android phone location and connect to a data network or Wi-Fi. After completing the above steps, please find and confirm your Android phone information on the computer screen. There will be 3 options on the left side of the computer screen: ring, lock, and erase. The function we use today is the erase function, which will completely clear the information on your Android phone. Next, please click Erase Device. After clicking, the page will jump to the login interface. At this time, you need to log into your Google account again. Please enter your Google account and password and click Confirm. After logging in, the page will jump back to the Google Find My Settings page again. Here, please click Erase Device again. Erasing the device may require you to wait patiently for a while. While waiting for wiping, please pay attention to whether your Android phone is ready or being reset. After the reset is completed, your Android phone will be displayed in the interface of the first time you opened the phone when you bought the phone. You still need to set it up again like a new phone. Method 3 is to use Samsung's Find My Phone service. If your phone is a Samsung phone, you can also use the free Find My Phone service provided by Samsung. But the premise is that you must first enable the remote control function of Find My Phone on your phone and your device must be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile network. Then you can use this feature to locate the device to reset the device to factory settings. If you have reached the requirements, then follow me step by step to use a laptop to reset Android phone. First, open the search engine on your computer, enter findmymobile.samsung.com in the address bar, and press enter. Then log into your Samsung account on the web login page. After logging in, your device information will be displayed in the upper left corner of your computer display. Please check whether your device information is correct on the computer. If it is not the phone you need to reset to factory settings, please find and select the Android phone you need to reset in the upper left corner. Then find and click Delete Data in the function area in the upper right corner. You may be asked to verify your identity. If so, a pop-up box will appear, asking you to enter the verification code sent to your device. Enter the code and click Verify. After verifying your identity, click Erase Data again to continue. If you do not receive the code, you can choose to verify by other means. Click Verify by SMS or Verify by backup code. After completion, a pop-up box will appear, asking you to confirm whether you want to erase the device. Click Delete to confirm. After that, another pop-up message will appear, asking you to confirm your Samsung account password. Enter your password and click Next. After that, your device will be factory reset and you will no longer be able to remotely control your device. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen, which will display the interface of the phone when you first turned it on when you bought it. You will need to set it up again like a new phone. Method 4 is to reset the Android phone using Android Debug Bridge. The Android operating system contains a recovery partition, which provides options to perform system updates and resets. You can use ADB to send commands directly to this recovery environment to perform a factory reset on Android phone using laptop. First, make sure ADB is properly installed on your laptop. Then connect the Android device to your laptop via USB. Press the Windows and R keys at the same time. Release the keys when a dialog box appears. Type CMD in the space provided in the box. Click OK and the command prompt window will appear. Use the audib shell command to enter the ADB shell environment. Then enter recovery wipe_data again to send the factory reset command. Finally, wait for the device to restart and complete the factory reset process. Method 5 is to seek help from professionals. The above factory reset methods will permanently delete all of the data on the Android, so please back up the necessary information before restoring the factory settings. If the above methods cannot solve the problem of wipe clean an Android device using a laptop, you may need to take your phone to an official service center to let the technician help you check and back up your data before resetting to factory settings. Today's video ends here. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.